Hi everyone, now see the first part are completed in previous lecture. Now see the second part of our experiment is the SCR control rectifier. Here second parts are observed. In the second part, in small change in our circuit connection, here in a load resistor 1 kilo ohm, these resistors are replaced in resistance box. Okay, here, and these load resistance across, observe the voltage is the output voltage in volt. Okay, so here in this resistor REL, here connected 1 kilo ohm resistor. These resistors are replaced in a resistance box. Okay, so this resistor is desoldering here in this way. Okay, and here connected resistance box. See the resistance box. In this resistance box, our resistance box connected different values of the load resistance in a ohm. Okay, so this load resistance is here connected, replace the load resistor 1K. See here, by using these crocodile pins, here connect the resistance box. Okay, by replace the resistor 1K. Okay, where the cathodes of the SCR, two cathode terminals are which are connected in a common, and second crocodile pin which are connected in a ground. See here, ground is the in pot, connected pot, ground terminal. Okay, in this way here connected resistance box. Okay, and we have observed the second table in a load resistance. Here 10 to 11 readings, same that of the first part we have observed. In a load resistance is ohm and output voltage in volt. Okay, output voltage we have observed in a by using multimeter. Here set the multimeter in a 20 DC volt. Okay, and in this multimeter connected across the resistance box, we have observed the output voltage in this way. Okay, see the in this way. See here. Okay. Here in second part, in this time the gate current and TPSC voltage, okay, both are the here applied the constant. Okay, in our circuit here connected gate current is connected in a resistor. Here two resistors are connected in common. Okay, another terminal is connected in a, see the in our circuit diagram, connected in variable terminal of the pot. Okay, and TPSU, here used power supply which are set to the constant, connected in a ground. See in this way connection are here completed, done by using the cables. Okay, see in this way. See the here in this way resistance box we observe the across the resistance box, observe the output voltage as well as gate current. Here set the gate current. Okay, set the constant gate current as well as in power supply. See by using the power supply, that means the TPSU. हे voltage आपण काय करणार आहे, सेट करणार आहे एका constant. See in this way by vary the knob. Now see in the second part of the load resistance in a gate current as well as a TPSU voltage, which are the set in a proper value. Okay, and here in a connected resistance box, here we have vary the resistance in a load resistance in a ohm and observe the across the resistance box in a voltage on a multimeter. Okay, see here, firstly vary the 20 ohm resistor in a resistance box. 20 ohm key which are removed here, and observe the output voltage is the 9.80 something, 9.79, and this voltage is note down in our observation. Here load resistance is removed, key the 20 ohm resistor, and output voltage we are observed in a multimeter is a 9.90 something. Okay, then second resistance, here load resistance key are removed, here the 50 ohm, and observe the output voltage C in our multimeter. Note down in a observation in part second, load resistance on observation table 12.70. Okay, in this way the different resistance key are removed, that means the load resistance which are connected in a across the ground and where the cathode terminals are connected in common. Okay, in this way here remove the key of the 100 ohm and note down the output voltage we have observed in a multimeter 14.48. Okay, in this way 10 to 11 readings we are observed by remove the resistance box in a different resistance key in ohm and observe the output voltage on a multimeter. Okay, in this way 10 to 11 readings are observed. Here load resistance remove in resistance box and observe the output voltage. Okay, here remove the 1000 ohm key and observe voltage is 16 point something 41. Okay, in this way part first and part second of our experiment in a silicon controlled rectifiers observation table. Okay, by using two parts, this first part and part second, we have draw the graph. Okay, in graph nature, see the here in graph of nature, here graph of nature in this see this is the first graph. By using the part first, here load voltage, okay, in a y-axis and gate current in a x-axis. So here when the gate current is changed, then load resistance voltage which are again change, that means the gate current is increases, then load resistance voltage which are again increases. In this way the second part in a load resistance, draw the graph. Okay, in a x-axis load resistance in ohm and y-axis output voltage in volt. When the load resistance are increases, then output voltage is again increases. Okay, so in this way draw the two parts of the graph, part 1 and part 2 in our experiment silicon control rectifier, and then comment of our experiment is SCR control rectifier circuit is built and tested in a successfully, okay, in our laboratory. I think got it all of you this experiment, no doubt anyone. Okay, and stop here. Thank you all of you.